Arthur Hübner, 17 September 1885, Neudamm 9 March 1937, Berlin, was a German philologist. He specialized in research of German literature from the Middle Ages, folk songs and folk tales, study of dialects, etc. From 1904 to 1909, he studied classical and German philology at the universities of Graz and Berlin, where he was influenced by the work of Germanist Gustav Roethe. In 1918 he became an associate professor in Berlin, later relocating to Münster as a full professor of medieval Germanic studies, 1924. In 1927 he succeeded Roethe as professor at the University of Berlin. In 1932 he became a member of the Prussian Academy of Sciences. In 1932-1937, along with Edward Schröder, he was editor of the Zeitschrift für deutsches Altertum und deutsche Literatur. Selected works: Daniel, ein Dichtung. 1910, Daniel, German religious poetry. Die poetische Bearbeitung des Buches Daniel, 1911, poetic editing of the Book of Daniel. Die Munde der Heimat, 1925, the dialect of the Heimat. Die deutschen Geistlicher, Studien zum geistlichen Volkslied des Mittelalters, 1931, the German Geistlicher, studies of sacred folk songs of the Middle Ages. Hermann Wirth und die Irlande Chronik, 1934, Hermann Wirth and the Irlande Chronicle. Früh Deutsche Lyrik, 1935, with Hans Ahrens, early German poetry. Kleinschriften zur deutschen Philologie, 1940, smaller writings of German philology. References: